when you talk to ChatGPT, how many prompts would you do in a session? Would you just do one and that's it and you stop the conversation there, or would you keep going? It can't provide any sort of great output if it has no idea what you're after. So if you've talking about content in the past, you said, write me a blog on what not to flush down the toilet. If you're not happy with it, you will start to make tweaks. As we go through the conversation, it starts to learn a little bit more about you. It's kind of like playing against the computer or the game of chess. First, doesn't know your moves, but then it starts to predict what you're going to say, what you want, how you're going to interact and adapt. It does the exact same thing. You want to make sure that you're not doing one prompt, then deleting it, starting again. Reprompt, keep the conversation going. Does anyone ever do a copy of what's been outputted, put it in quotation marks? The next time you use ChatGPT, please do try it. The reason being is the more specific that you can get, the better the output. Again, if you're really vague, you're going to get something that's absolutely nothing. And that 10 seconds, yes, it's saving you time, but it's not going to get you a result.